fancy. What are we doing, Darby?
My present for my birthday. I want cake and cupcakes.
Who sent you the birthday present?
Aunt Lucy and
Tiffany.
And Tiffany. Put it up, Darby. I wonder what it is. Open it. I think it's a spider. No, it isn't.
What do you think it is?
I think it's a pet. Riley. Riley. Open it up, Darby. There's some tape on the bottom right
No,
there.
just open it. Just open it. Here, just pull the top. Oh, it's in another box.
Okay.
Here.
Here, Daddy. You get a butt. It's a princess one. It got flowers on them. A hairband.
There you go. Darby,
What do you think?
what is it?
It's a princess shoe.
It's a what?
It's flower shoe.
What are you looking at? What is it? But what are those? I'll cut it off.
What are they, Darby?
Here, I'll
I
cut it
can
off.
keep this.
Okay.
My attitude. What is that flower? What is it? Also,
Mixing.
look.
Okay.
Try 'em on, Darby.
Okay. I gotta put socks
I got a little bigger size, so she can wear them.
on. They're doing good.
They match your dress perfectly.
Yep. Hey! Your dress is shut. Your dress is stuck. One of the sheets.
Oh my god.
Cool! Look at those things.
Look at those.
What do you think, Darby?
Look at the camera.
Would you like them?
Yeah.
They're pretty, aren't they?
I think decorated these at my birthday show my friend. I wear these at school.
What do you think, Riley? Do you like them? Do you like Sissy shoes? Do you like Sissy shoes?
Daddy, I want to wear these at school.
Okay.